What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. So in the last video, if you watched that, if you didn't, make sure to go do that, but if you did watch the last video, you know that I bought a drone. So this is the DJI, I always call them DJI, but they're not, they're DJI Spark. It's got a little camera on it, and what I'm going to do is try to get some cool shots with it, of the truck. So, and of, you know, flying above the trees and cool stuff. So that's the goal for it. So this thing's actually pretty cool because it you control it with your phone. First you just turn it on and then wait a second so it beeps and stuff, and then you can click enter device. Oh, hold on. It's got to go to your Wi-Fi settings, connect to the Spark because it goes through Wi-Fi, and then it's going to tell you that Wi-Fi may not be available or whatever, but that's fine. Enter camera view. See, it's telling me that Wi-Fi may not be available, but that doesn't matter. Okay, it's telling me that it's in ADI mode, which it should be in GPS mode because I'm outside.
But you won't hear me go diss them, cause it ain't gonna benefit me unless that fan base is a million. I spit 45 rounds up in my sleeve, got bullet holes up in my ceiling. My pillow soaked in black cause my saliva's diamondback venom. Yeah, I could be at your feet and you wouldn't even fucking know cause you don't play in the creek. All I hear is some songs about trucks y'all don't drive, with some verses about hot girls you ain't got in real life. I hear you blowing black smoke but you don't even own a decent. I hear your country as they come but you ain't hanging with my peeps. So put your camouflage on, take a picture with some wheels, act like you working hard when you ain't even got deals, and don't ask me for a feature, we do it different in the hills. Yeah, we some rednecks for real. Man, I looked at the artist that turned out to be some joke. That's why I'm high strung like a two-stroke with a pulled out choke. Yeah, wing wing on that Yamaha, chromed out 1100. So many punchlines on my album, my front cover is a band-aid hole. Anybody who wants these flames needs to purchase fucking solar cane. I'll burn you like a joint, can't kill till I sell your ass some propane. I'm dumping stolen gold through these swampy southern states, hauling 10 tons of ass in this fucking church train, blowing smoke through the sky. Yeah, baby, I'm that guy, calling motherfuckers out, but their numbers don't climb, cause I won't ever say their name, even if they tried to pay me. I'm a pro at this shit, these guys sound like they're still in training. Ain't God, don't live, and ain't half of the shit they're saying. And people wonder why I jump in the pit, stay slaying. All I hear is some songs about trucks y'all don't drive, with some verses about hot girls you ain't got in real life. I hear you blowing black smoke, but you don't even own a decent. I hear your country as they come, but you ain't hanging with my peeps. So put your camouflage on, take a picture with some wheels, act like you working hard when you ain't even got deals, and don't ask me for a feature, we do it different in the hills. Yeah, we some rednecks for real.
I appear to have crashed the drone somewhere out here, and now I need to find it. This might not be good because it's a white drone and it's in the snow. Great.
My hands are frozen.
Yeah, my hands are frozen too. God damn. We've been looking for this thing forever.
I knew.
Wait, shine it over here. We lost one prop, which is fine. Did I crack the camera at all? No. Looks okay.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. We've been looking.
I'm sure if you dig it, I knew it did not see this tree, this big tree, and that's the tree that's multicolored.
Yeah.
And that's the tree that has the fucking.
And here I was looking way the hell over there.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm sure if you dig
And the battery's even still on it too.
Oh, that's good.
Alrighty guys, hopefully you can see me alright. I'm back in the truck now warming up. I've been out here for, I don't know, an hour maybe looking for this thing, and it's dark now and It's 3 degrees out, and it's windy, so I don't know what it is with the wind chill. My face is literally frozen. I'm probably like talking like an idiot because my face is frozen. But yeah, we still got her in 4x4 low range. I'm just trying to warm up right now. It's kind of freaking crazy. This thing was $400 and I almost lost it. And it's supposed to snow in the next couple of days, so it's a good thing that I found it, because I never would have found it if it snowed again. I would have ran over it with the four-wheeler in the summer sometime and been like, shit, that's my drone. And by then it would have been broken. So I actually hold on, ready? Oh, we got lights. It's got lights on it that work, so I'll try it out later, but I think it's gonna be fine because it did land in the snow and it didn't really break anything, just the prop, it looks like. So alrighty guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. This was almost a $400 video for me. It almost cost me $400 to make this video, so please leave a like on it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for watching.